Alright, once again, sabi nga, one voice in the Philippines, Totoy Balat, ng lalawigan ng Pampanga, at ang bayan ko ay Apalit, Pampanga. Sa ating mga kabalan dyan, shoutout, mega shoutout, sa ating mga kaluguran, kapatid, pamilya, kabarangay, at retang ka na kung pipagkagtan ken, rin pong Tagalubao, Bora, Florida Blanca, Guagua, San Fernando, Santa Ana, Arayat, Magalang, Mapalakad, San Fernando. Yan, San Fernando po, mega shoutout. And then mega shoutout mo rin po karin pong taga San Vicente, Santo Tomas, karin pa rin Benko, Roland, pamilya Benko, karin taga Guagua, karin JLSS Construction Supply, kang Jose Larry, and San Simon, kang Kagawad, Willie Dantes. Yan, shoutout mega kay San Simon. Ayan, mag-mega shoutout pa. Siyempre kay taga Apalit, Pampanga, shoutout kay Dosing Barrio. Ayan, at kay Makabebe, Pampanga, and Masantol. Sa lahat po ng taga Masantol yan. And also sa mga taga Sasmuan, Andaba, and sa Luis. At kareta pong pagawan jingle song alalan anina yung dala ka mag-PM hindi nanda ka sample. O yan, yung unang kanta ang Victor Wood.
Buksan mo ang bintana ng mundo, awin mo ang lumbay ng puso ko, o kay sarap mabuhay sa piling mo, magkayakap magkasiping hanggang matapos ang awit ko.
Aray ko pati
naghihintay, wow, natutupin.
aray ko di ko kaya.
Halika rito, yakapin mo ako at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Hinahanap hinit ng iyong yakap at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin, halika rito, yakapin mo ako. Init ng iyong yakap, naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin, halika rito, yakapin mo ako at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Hinahanap hinit ng iyong yakap at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin, halika rito, yakap
Sa mga iniibig dyan, nakatali na. Yan, mga iniibig niya na nakatali na. Antayin mo naman ulit makawala. Yan, mega shoutout sa mga nanonood dyan. Si Ernie Quinto, King. Si Paring Benko. At yung isa siya. Imelda Marcos Santos. Shoutout. Pag nakatali na, hintayin mo makawala.
Sa isang halik mo lang, lamang ko'y gumalaw. Binawi mo ang lumbay. Sa isang halik mo lang, daigdig ko'y nabuhay. Mundo man magunaw, sana'y malaman mo. Ikaw lamang. Dalangin ko sa may kapal, ikaw sana'y malaya na. Oh, sayang ngayon lang tayo nagsama. Kasalanan ba ang magmahal sa isang tulad mo? Oh, batid ng Diyos, mahal kita, magpakailan pa man. Kay sakit ng sinapit ko, inibig ko'y may asawa na. Bakit ba ganyan ang pag-ibig? Kung alin ang bawal, ang siyang nananaig. Sa isang halik mo lang, lamang ko'y gumalaw. Binawi mo ang lumbay. Sa isang halik mo lang, daigdig ko'y nabuhay. Mundo man magunaw, sana'y malaman mo. Ikaw lamang. Dalangin ko sa may kapal, ikaw sana'y malaya na. Oh, sayang ngayon lang tayo nagsama. Kasalanan ba ang magmahal sa isang tulad mo? Oh, batid ng Diyos, mahal kita, magpakailan pa man. Kay sakit ng sinapit ko, inibig ko meron ng kabit. Bakit ba ganyan ang pag-ibig? Kung alin ang kabit, ang siyang minamahal. Ay sakit ng sinapit ko, inibig ko'y nakatali na.
Alright, yan. Ano pong kalaguran tamo again? From Victor Wood again. Kanina, Tom Jones and Gilbert. Ngayon naman, punta tayo kay Victor Wood. All this, never forget. All this but goodies tayo. I'm sorry, my love, if I've broken your heart last night. I beg of you to forgive me. There is one I'm sorry. I promise, my love, I won't make that mistake again. Oh, won't you please forgive me and be my love again. I was a fool to treat you mean and cruel. I did not know at all. Now I realize, so I apologize. I never hurt you again. Oh, I'm sorry, my love, if I've broken your heart last night. Oh, won't you please forgive me and be my love again. I'm sorry, my love, if I've broken your heart last night. Oh, won't you please forgive me and be my love again. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, my love.
Naghahang? Baka tumitito na.
Oh, wait,
Dapat
yan,
tumitibay with the new Bear Brand Adult Plus.
Sa ating mga kabalen dyan, shoutout, mega shoutout sa lahat po ng mga kabalen kamo. Saan ka man ngayon? Wow. Saan ka ba? Oh, it's wrong time again. You gotta leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say that absence make the heart grow fonder, and the tears
Victor would never forget. Once there were green fields kissed by the sun. Once there were valleys where river used to run. Once there were blue sky with white clouds high above. Once there were far off and everlasting love. We were the lovers who strolled through green fields. I never know what made you run away. How can I keep searching where the cloud hide the day? I only know there's nothing here for me, nothing in this wide world left for me to see. But I keep on waiting until you turn. I keep on waiting until the day you learn. You can be happy while you're stuck on the road. You can be happy until you bring it home. Home, that's the green fields and live once again. One more chance, one more chance. All you want is one more chance to break my heart. There is was a sparrow long ago that you call an end to old romance. Now I found you come back crying here, begging me for one more chance, one more chance, one more chance. All you want, more chance to break my heart. Though you crying, babe, for I'll never take you back again. I am not a fool I was before. I don't want you anymore. One more chance. All you ask is one more chance to break my heart. Yan, never forget Victor Wood, Worldline. Far across the blue water, away over yonder, by the banks of the old river run, where I long and remember, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty brown life, brown life. That's your hand holding mine by the same stars above you. I swear that I love you. You are my pretty brown light.
Bear Brand 840 grams, 279.50 pesos SRP na lang. Price off, tibay on.
All of a Sudden by Matt Morrow. Never forget all these bad goodies noon hanggang ngayon, nadidinig pa rin. We were poor, you and I. Now we know we still as the day move along. Flowers are very nice, did not show it. Suddenly we can see we were wrong. All of a sudden, this was yours and mine. All of a sudden, what a taste like wine. Now every moment there are songs to sing. All of a sudden, everything. Let's not talk of the time we've been lonely, but let us speak of the time we will know. From today I will live for you only. Wish I said all these things long ago. All of a sudden, these were yours and mine. All of a sudden, water tastes like wine. Now every moment, there are songs to sing. All of a sudden, everything. La 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 la, la la la, la la. La 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 la, la la la, la la. La 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 la, la la la, la la. La 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 la, la la la. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la. La 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 la, la la la, la la. La 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 la, la la la, la la. Pag ito'y kinakanta to ng iba, sabi binabaril. Diba? Pag lagi ito, lagi na sikat to eh. Pag my way daw, tinitira na pinapatay ka. And now, the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full. I travel it and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regret, I had a few, but then again, to mention, I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each certain course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I sure you knew when I beat off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I read it all and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I love and cry. I have my food, my share of losing, and now I'm still subside. I find it all so amusing to think how they know that. And may I say, not in the shallow way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. Oh, what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he doesn't know to say the tears he truly feels, and not the ones of one who lives. The record shows how to the blow and did it more. Parang ano yun naging barko, naging eroplano, bumaksak sa bisikleta, naging scooter na lang. At mayroon, yes, it was my way. Thank you sa papuso. Thank you po sa mga nandyan lang. Alright. My Love Will See You Through by Marcos Sison. Never forget all these but goodies. When time gets rolled and your dream just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends thunder back on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be in your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall, and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, having faith in your heart. For my love will see you through. When the rays from the star, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dream. For my love will see you
Parang ano, parang talagang Sunday na Sunday, no? Sunday na Sunday. Oh, Sunday. Never forget sa ating mga lolo noon. Hanggang ngayon, nagidinig mo ang kailang pinapatugtog by Andy Williams, Where I To Begin, a Love Story.
Where I do begin to tell the story of how great a love can be. The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love you bring to me. Where do I start? With her first alone, she gave a meaning to his empty world of mine. Will never be another love, another child. She came into my life and make a living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things. can stay. I know I need help till the star burn away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Cannot be measured by the hour in the day. I have no answer now, but this much I can say. I know I'll never hurt till the star all burn away, and she be there.
Yan, pag piyesta apalit, madidinig mo yan. Noon hanggang ngayon, by Matt Morrow, born free. Pagklubyan ng apalit Pampanga ng St. Peter, laging nananalo champion ng born free.
Born free as the wind blows, as free as the grass grows, born free to follow your heart. Live free, and beauty surrounds you. The world still astounds you. It's time you look at the sky. Stay